Wellness Unleashed: Mastering Stress, Sleep, and Self-Care. In our fast-paced and demanding modern world, mastering stress, sleep, and self-care has become essential for maintaining a healthy and balanced life. These three interconnected aspects play a crucial role in our overall well-being, affecting both our physical and mental health. This comprehensive guide delves into the depths of each topic, providing insights, strategies, and tips to help you navigate the challenges and find harmony in your daily life. Understanding stress. Stress is a natural response to challenges, changes, and demands in our environment. While a certain level of stress can be motivating and adaptive, chronic stress can have detrimental effects on our health. Understanding the different types of stress and their impacts is the first step toward mastering stress management. Types of stress. This is short-term stress that arises from immediate threats or challenges. It activates the body's fight or flight response, preparing us to deal with the situation at hand. Also known as positive stress, stress can be generated by exciting events like starting a new job, planning a wedding, or pursuing a personal goal. While it's still a stress response, it can be motivating and energizing. Effects of chronic stress. Chronic stress can have far-reaching effects on the body and mind. It can lead to increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, weakened immune system, digestive issues, anxiety and depression, sleep disturbances, cognitive impairments. Mastering stress management. 1. Identify stressors. Recognize the sources of your stress. Keeping a stress journal can help you pinpoint triggers and patterns, empowering you to take targeted action. 2. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing, can help you stay present, reduce anxiety, and improve your ability to manage stress. 3. Time management. Effective time management can prevent overwhelm and help you prioritize tasks. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. 4. Healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and staying hydrated contribute to your body's resilience against stress. 5. Social support. Maintain meaningful connections with friends and family. Talking about your feelings can provide emotional relief and perspective. The power of sleep. Sleep is a fundamental biological need that supports physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Yet, many people struggle with obtaining adequate and restful sleep. Importance of sleep. During deep sleep, the body repairs tissues, strengthens the immune system, and releases growth hormones. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation, learning, and problem solving. Proper sleep helps regulate mood and manage stress. Sleep hygiene. Consistent schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same times every day, even on weekends. Bedroom environment. Create a sleep-conducive environment by keeping the room dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Nurturing self-care. Self-care is a deliberate and proactive practice of taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It's not indulgent. It's necessary for overall health and resilience. Types of self-care. Physical self-care. Engage in regular physical activity, maintain a nutritious diet, and prioritize medical checkups. Emotional self-care. Practice self-compassion, engage in activities that bring joy, and learn to manage and express your emotions. Social self-care. Cultivate healthy relationships, set boundaries, and spend time with people who uplift you. Spiritual self-care. Connect with your inner self through practices like meditation, mindfulness, or spending time in nature. Overcoming barriers to self-care. Many individuals feel guilty about taking time for themselves. Remember that self-care is essential for your well-being and enables you to be present for others. Time constraints. Prioritize self-care by scheduling it into your routine. Even small acts can make a significant impact. Self-worth. Understand that you deserve care and prioritize yourself without judgment. Integrating stress management, sleep, and self-care. Mastering stress, sleep, and self-care is an interconnected journey that requires dedication and mindfulness. Each aspect influences the others, creating a holistic approach to well-being. Daily rituals. Create daily rituals that combine stress management, sleep hygiene, and self-care practices. For instance, start your day with a brief meditation Maintain a consistent sleep schedule and incorporate small self-care activities throughout your day. Seeking professional help. If stress, sleep issues, or self-care challenges become overwhelming, seeking support from mental health professionals, sleep specialists, or wellness coaches can provide personalized guidance and strategies. Long-term benefits. By mastering stress, sleep, and self-care, you'll experience enhanced physical health and vitality, improved mental clarity and focus, increased emotional resilience, better relationships and social connections, greater overall life satisfaction. The journey to mastering stress, sleep, and self-care is an ongoing process that requires self-awareness, commitment, and a willingness to prioritize your well-being. By understanding the impact of stress, adopting healthy sleep habits, and practicing comprehensive self-care, you can cultivate a life of balance, resilience, and fulfillment in our demanding world.